Hi friends, this is Ramesh. Today we are discussing about basic formulas of Microsoft Excel. I have some basic formulas. Let's do coming to the yard. For example, I have some values. Give the values. Let's do coming to the fill the series. I would like to add all the cells for getting the total value. Let's do click is equal. Select the cells plus select plus select plus select plus select. Let's do enter. Now we get the total value of the all the selected cells. My answer is the total is 60. From the all cells value is 60. Later coming to the subtract. For example, I have some numbers like 80 and 50. Here I would like to subtract 50 from 80. For this one is equal to select the 80 minus select the 50. Let's do enter. I got the answer 30. 80 minus 50 is the 30. Later coming to the multiply. For example, I have some values 7 and 2 is equals select the value into select. Let's do enter. The answer is 14. 7 into 2 14. Later coming to the divide. For example, I have some value s is equal to select the cell, divide and select. Let's do enter. I got the answer 5. Coming to the sum. Here you need to observe the difference between yard formula and sum formula. The yard formula we are using for getting the total value of the all the cells. We got the total value is 60. And the sum value also we are using the for getting the total value. Let's do observe what is the difference. Give the some values. Coming to the series, fill series. Yeah. Give the formula and select the cells. What cells do you want to add? All the cells you need to select. Let's do close and enter. Here we got the answer 60. Here also from the add formula also we are get the 60. We are getting the both are same answers. But the add formula can take the more time, but some formula can take the within few seconds. Here add formula consume the more time. Some formula can save the time. That is the different. Coming to the minimum formula. I would like to minimum value of the entire sheet. For this one, we are using the min formula. Let's do select all cells. From the selected cells, which number is the minimum value is, it can be find out easily. For this one, close the formula. Let's do enter. The minimum value is 2. Let's do observe. The minimum value is 2. Coming to the maximum. I want to find out the maximum value of the entire city. Let's click the is equal to and max. Then select the cells. From the selected cells, what number is the maximum value? It can be find out easily. Let's do click. Here the maximum value is 80. Let's do observe here. The 80 is the maximum. More than 80 is not available here. Later coming to the count. I would like to count the how many cells are available in the entire sheet. For this one we are using the count formula. Count. Let's select the cells. How many cells are available here? It can be find out easily by using the count formula. Let's do enter. There are 23 cells are available. Coming to the count A. What is the difference between count and count A? Count formula can find out the number of cells are available. Count A formula can find out the numbers as well as text cells. Count is used only for numbers. Count A can use for text as well as numbers also it can be calculated. For example, give the some text Ramesh and Ram. Let's do use the Countif formula is equal to count A. Let's do select the cells. It can be calculate the numbers as well as text. Close and enter. Let's do observe the difference between count and count A. Count A can calculate the numbers as well as text, but count is can calculate the only numbers. Here the empty cells not calculated. Only text as well as numbers also it can be calculated. The answer is 27. Later coming to the average. For example, I have some values. I would like to find out the average values. For this one, let's do is equal to give the average and select the cells. From the all the cells, I want to find out the average number. Let's do enter. The average value is 34 from the selected cells only. At the same time, I want to find out the median value. For example, I would like to from the B column, what is the median value? Median is nothing but less than average. Let's do click median, then select the cells. From the selected cells, what is the median value? It can be calculated. The median value is 10. Later coming to the concatenate. Concatenate is nothing but merge the cells. For example, I want to merge two cells, Ramesh and learnings. For this one, we are using this formula is equal to concatenate. Then select the cells. Which cells do you want to merge? I want to merge only these two cells. Let's do close and enter. Let's do observe the cell. Ramesh and learnings are under the one cell. Ramesh learnings. Here Ramesh is one cell, learning is the another cell. But here by using this formula, we got the merge. Coming to the if, we can use the if function in number of ways. Now we are use the if function for yes or no. Take some text for if formula. For example, Ramesh, Ram, Venkat, Ramesh, Subbu, Ramesh, and Murali. I take this all this formula. I want to use the yes or no. I have some text all this here. I would like to get the yes at the time of where is the Ramesh. For this one, I am use the if function. Give the if, then select the cell is equal to Ramesh. Yes, if this cell is Ramesh, I want answer is yes. Otherwise, no. Let's do close. Once again, observe the formula. If the L3 is the Ramesh, I want yes answer. Otherwise, no. Let's do enter. I got the yes answer. Because of the L3 is the Ramesh. That's why I got the answer yes. Let's do observe all this. I got the no because of it is Ramu, not Ramesh. Let's do another one Venkat. That's why no. Here this is the Ramesh. Here this is the Ramesh. I got the yes answer. Like this one, we can get the answer entire sheet within seconds. Later coming to the by using the same formula if condition, I want the true or false. For this one, give the formula is equal to, if condition, let's do select the premise I want to true, otherwise false. False. Here L3 is the premise I want true, otherwise false. Let's do select enter. Because of I got the true, it is a premise. Let's do observe all this one. The where is the name of premise, it will be true, otherwise false. Let's do coming to the true. Because of this is the premise. Coming here, this is true. All this is true. Where the not name of premise, it will be false. Later coming to the countif, I wanted to count how many times a particular number. Like I would like to know the number 10 is how many times in entire sheet. For this one, we are using the countif formula. Give the formula is countif and select the cells. From the all the cells, how many times the number 10. Give the number. Let's do close the formula and click on enter. Now I got the answer 4. From the all the selected cells, the number 10 is 4 times. Let's do observe coming 1, 2, 3 and 4. Is it right? I got the correct answer. Coming to the Sumif, we can use this formula at the time of when you want to calculate from a particular number. For example, I would like to calculate from where more than 10. Below 10 is not calculated. More than 10 is calculated. Give the formula is equal to sum if, then select the cells. I would like to find out the from the selected cells. I want greater than 10 number. So give the number 10, then close. Let's do enter. Here calculated all the numbers from where more than 10. Here you need to observe the sum and sum if. Here this answer is the sum if. I want to find out the sum answer also. Let's do give the sum formula and select the required cells. I want to select and close and enter. Here do observe the sum value is 582. The sum if value is 524. Because of the sum if value is we want to calculate the only greater than 10 values. But some values can calculate the from 0 onwards. That why we got the 582 answer. Here we got the 524 answer. Later coming to the current date. I want to give the current date like we are give the date manually. Like for example, we give the date 09 and 04 2022. Like this one we need to give them manually. It might be take some time, but for this one we have a shortcut key. Let's do control and colons. We got the date and current. If we want a current time, let's do give the control shift and colons. We got the current time. If we want to current date and current time, for this one we give the some formula. Let's do give the formula now formula and open bracket and close bracket. Let's do enter. Now we get the current date time in particular cell. Let's do observe. Let's do observe from current date onwards. Current date is the we got the only date. Current time is the we got the only time. Here current date and time. For this one we give the formula. Let's do observe the at formula bar is equal to now open bracket and close bracket. We got the current date and time. I hope you understand all these formulas. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe.